Hello student, today we are going to perform an activity in mathematics regarding volume of a cone, hemisphere, cylinder. They have equal height and equal radius, and we believe that by doing activity our learning become better and we understand the things lot, and we can utilize this knowledge further. To do this activity, the material requires are cone, right circular cone, hemisphere and right circular cylinder, and to measure the volume we have taken the sand. Now, we will perform the activity. First, we will fill up the cone by sand and make it full, and pour this into the hemisphere. Second time, we will fill up the cone by sand and it should be filled fully, and now we will pour into the hemisphere. We have seen that the 2 times sand containing in the cone fills the hemisphere. Now, we will see this in case of cylinder. We will fill up the cone and pour into the cylinder. Second time, we again fill up the cone and pour into the cylinder. Now, the third time we fill up the cone by sand and we pour into the cylinder. And we have seen that the 3 times of the cone fills the cylinder. So, here we observe that the volume, the relations of volume between cone and hemisphere is 1:2 and cone and cylinder is 1:3. If we combine and say together, then we will find that the relation of volume among cone, hemisphere and cylinder is 1:2:3. Now, we will see the result mathematically. We know that volume of cone is 1/3 of pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere is 2/3 of pi r cube, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Here, since h is equal to r, so volume of cone will become 1/3 of pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere is 2/3 of pi r cube, and volume of cylinder is pi r cube. Now, if we take ratio among these 3, we will get 1/3 of pi r cube is to 2/3 of pi r cube is to pi r cube, and we will get ultimately 1:2:3. We have verified this result mathematically and by activity also. The same thing we can do by others material like liquids, etc. Thank you.